Okay, I believe I am live. Okay, so this is my first time going on live. And so a lot of things to click on, lots of things to look at. Not sure what's going on, but thought I'd give it a try. I got my new setup here and I am looking to go live as much as possible. I may start off once a week. It could be every day, but basically, I am coming on here to talk about what I do. So, real estate, of course, right? But today, I am actually just coming here to see you guys and to see how to work this program. So, I got this new program, Ecamm Live, and I've been playing around with it. You see, I added my name this side. This I add my name, what I do, and maybe I can get see if someone comments. Maybe I can know where the comment section actually pops up on this thing. Anyone out there watching? Give me a comment. No, okay. Oh, I got a heart. Okay, don't know who that's from, but I got a heart. Probably my sister. And yeah, how are you guys? Let me know what you guys want to see when I go on live. I kind of want to talk about, of course, real estate. If you have any other questions about real estate, I would love to answer them to you. Most likely, my weekly session would be going into a certain market that I'm looking at and explain that. But if we can talk about buying and selling or whatever it may be, my sister has messaged me that she's commenting and I don't see the comments. So again, I am getting used to this new thing. So let me see where I gotta click on the comment or something to see. Oh goodness. Okay, there is a lot of comments actually on the Facebook, but how come I can't see them here? Oh man, I'm gonna have to figure out how to do that now. So maybe that's one thing that I can look into, how to figure out what to do. I think my sister said something about she likes the mic. Yeah, you like my mic? I purchased it just for this. I did my whole setup, my flowers, my lights. Oh, I'm still getting used to which side is which. My lights, my flowers. Okay. I got my, it's going to be a great day today, every day. Yeah. What else? Okay, I wish I could see the comments. You know what? I'm going to pause this live stream right now and I'll hop on back when I figure out how I see the comments while I'm talking to you guys. But keep commenting. Let me know what you guys want to see, what you want to do. And yeah, so I'll see you in a bit, maybe later today. I don't know if I feel like it, or maybe the next time when it's actually ready and set up to go. So bye. See you all.